We're on a remote, undeveloped island.
Something is going on with time on this beach.